This is the viral sashimi platter from H Mart. Let's try this sashimi platter. It was $15.99. Right now I have no rice, so I'm gonna use this one, instant rice. 210 grams. I need more. I can eat like 1 bowl and half. Okay, I'm gonna heat it up. Ooh, I think I wanna wash my hands first before it. Oh, I'm so hungry. Whew, 뜨거워. So, it's called hoe-deopbap. It's similar to bibimbap, but sashimi version. Okay? And I need some sesame oil. 오, 맛있겠다. I just want to show you what's inside. There is some lettuce and 이거 해초인데? 해초류? And radish, salmon and tuna, and this little fish eggs, the orange one. And then chojang inside is one kind of chili paste. Mix all of them with rice. Add 1 bowl of rice. Whew, I'm actually hungry. Sesame oil. And then chojang. Smells really good. Wow, sesame oil. So we are gonna mix it very well. There's bell pepper as well. So this is how we eat this. Don't forget to add sesame oil. It makes big difference. It's 2. I think I need a bigger bowl. Okay, here's the bigger bowl. Wow, that's a lot. Wow. Can I finish it? I think I need more sauce. I feel like this sauce is actually not enough. The sauce is not enough. But I have chojang at home, so I'm gonna add more. I didn't even open it. 우와, 와, 근데 맛있겠다. 와. So I'm gonna add more. A little more sesame oil. Wow. It's a lot of food. I don't think it's one person's. I mean, actually a lot of vegetables. It's good. If we have a little miso soup on the side, it would be perfect, but I don't have it. Let me show you again. So after mix, it looks like this. Okay, let me try. This is so good. A lot of veggies, refreshing. It's a little tangy. Wow. If you like sushi or sashimi, give it a try. It's really good. I promise you. 진짜 맛있어. Yeah, it has a lot of veggies, lettuce, onion, bell pepper, and cabbage. It has generous amount of sashimi. It's good. So I think after they cut the sashimi, there's pieces that doesn't look really nice. They use the pieces to make this bowl. It's actually really good. Yeah, today finally I went to Costco and H Mart. Yesterday, did you see my post on Facebook? I woke up so early, like 5 a.m. and I couldn't go back to sleep until 7 a.m. I went to a Korean restaurant, opens 24 hours, and I ordered the 육개장, and the server warned me the soup is spicy. So I was like, oh, it's okay. And then I had one sip and I was immediately regretted. And after I finished the soup, no, my tummy was going crazy. I had to hurry, come back home. And yeah, and then I couldn't do much. I was just stay home, and finally I went to grocery shoppings, and I have to cook the chicken. And actually I cleaned up my freezer, and I found there's a lot of chicken breast and thigh. So today actually I was gonna buy pork belly, but I decided not to because I wanna finish the chicken first. So, and then right now my camera has 5% battery. So I'm gonna just turn it off and enjoy my meal. Bye.